You're here for the Bloomberg Equality Summit. Why are we not doing better in equality? Why are we still talking about it in May of 2019?
I think that's because particularly when I started in the banking sector, I think most people thought that let's just have a conversation about equality and make the changes. What I think they really didn't take into consideration that you're looking at cultural and societal change. And as we all know now, that's where it's really difficult to make rapid change. So that's why we're still talking about gender equality and all types of equality. It's not just gender, it's also ethnicity, diversity and other diversity issues.
Janet, has it changed in the last 10 years? Has anything changed, or are we going backwards?
Well, I think if we look at the city, for me personally, it's certainly when I look at the city today compared to when I started in 1998, it certainly has changed. It's a much more conducive environment for women to work in. But in terms of gender equality, I think we've gone backwards somewhat.
Okay, talk to me about fintech. So, we interview chief executives of big banks every day, and they say we're going to be like fintech companies. It's going to be great. How much disruption will actually come from fintech?
It's going to be huge.
Do the big ones know what's coming?
No, I don't think so. I really don't think they do. I mean, what I'm seeing actually is like individuals like myself, particularly women who have been in middle tier positions in banks for a very, very long time, being approached by the large tech firms like the Googles, the Facebooks, the Amazon for senior leadership roles, and they're moving. And they're taking like 15, 20 years of banking knowledge with them, and they're doing things quicker, faster and better.
So how is the model going to change? Is it, is it the apps? Is it the way we all bank now on our little phones? How will it be disrupted in the next 10 years?
I think the great thing about those women who are moving, they've been in their positions in the banks for a long time, and they've wanted to share better ways of doing business. And so they're going with these great ideas to their tech firms, and with a much more diverse community or manufacturing community in these tech firms. They have the resources to do things very differently. So it will be definitely the Internet of Things, AI, machine learning, automation, and we're going to see a blend of those three areas coming together. And in the technology, the fintech world, I think those women are looking at, all the tech world is looking at things, doing things very, very differently. So it will be disruptive and things will be faster.